Hi everyone, Rainey with My Dream Boat Project, and I wanted to come on to thank you all for helping me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I got like 50 in the last week and a half just because of the help that all you people out there at YouTube and Facebook have given me. Your support is much appreciated. I hope to be able to bring you some more great videos as I build this great loop boat, the Chesapeake Bay Dead Rise. It's going to be a full cabin. It's gonna be great. So thank you. Keep on sharing, thumbs up, subscribing, having your friends subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.